The adoptive father of the missing Norfolk teen found dead earlier this year was in court this morning. Wesley Hadsell is not facing charges directly related to A.J. Hadsell's death, but the charges against him do involve the search for her. 10 on your side's Lex Gray was in court this morning. So, Lex, what new information did you learn?
Nicole, the judge decided the case against Hadsell will move forward. Hadsell admitted to us on camera that he broke into the home of someone that he suspected in his daughter's disappearance. For that, police charged him with obstruction of justice. And today, witnesses spoke about how Hadsell tried to get them to cover up the break-in. From jail, Wesley Hadsell told 10 on your side he wanted to find out who may have harmed his adoptive daughter, A.J. He had a suspect in mind, one of A.J.'s friends. One witness testified Hadsell talked to him about that person and asked him to figure out the layout of the home. On March 6, 2 witnesses testified that Hadsell told them he had broken into the friend's home, found her jacket under a couch cushion, and moved it into plain sight. One witness said Hadsell asked him to get into the house since he was a friend and lead police to the jacket. Both witnesses testified that Hadsell told them they would, quote, be dealt with if they told police the real story about the jacket. And one went on to say Hadsell told him to Google his criminal history so he would, quote, know what kind of person he was dealing with. And he said Hadsell told him he was a member of the Aryan Brotherhood and doing cocaine to try to get back in. The witness said he told police the whole story about the break-in and the jacket weeks later, on March 20th. Police arrested Hadsell the next day, and he's been in jail ever since. A grand jury will hear 5 felony charges against Hadsell next Wednesday. Those are 4 counts of obstruction of justice as well as a gun charge. The judge dismissed 2 other charges. It could be months before we learn anything more about A.J.'s death. Norfolk police told me they're still waiting for the medical examiner to determine how she died. In the newsroom, Lex Gray, 10 on your side.